Hey everyone, I just wanted to walk you through how to create your practice session for the test prep session for the secure browser login. So you're going to start from the Tom's testing website that we used with Monica last week during the all staff meeting. I believe you'll need to log in. I've just been logged in, so that's why it takes me directly to the CASP site. You're going to start with practice and training tests. And then you'll come down to test administrator and test examiner practice and training site. And then you'll select upcoming sessions. Since it's not a session that's going to start right now, you'll want to select upcoming sessions. I already have mine in here, so that's why it is already there. So I'll go ahead and schedule a session just for this training. Just as Monica told us last week, it does not matter which school you select. So I'm going to go ahead and select San Diego since that's where most of my students are. You want to select the date that best corresponds to your test prep session. So if you want to go ahead and select the whole week, that's up to you. If you want to select the exact day of your test prep session, that's also up to you. Since I already have a session set up for my test prep session day the 9th, I'll go ahead and set it up for the 11th. Select next. And then you want to select a practice test. I only selected one practice test just so my students only saw one practice test when they log in, just to eliminate any confusion. If you want to go ahead and select every test that they could possibly take just so they see all of the tests, that's up to you. So I'm going to select Smarter Balance practice tests. I'm going to add a filter just so I can see which tests my students have to take. Apply the filter. I'm going to go to mathematics and open it up, and I'm going to select the adaptive test and just select the high school math practice test. I'm going to deselect the performance task because, like I said, I just want them to see the one test when they log in, so they know they can click onto that one and start clicking through that one to see what the test is going to look like. I'm going to name it Homeroom Practice Null, just create a name, and then select remote or hybrid as the session type, and then go ahead and save the session. You want to make sure you either write down or screenshot this training session ID number so that way you can provide that to your students in your PowerPoint slides during homeroom, or in email, or just some way provide this to the students so that way they can access it away from their computer, because remember, they can't have anything else open once the secure browser is open. So you want to be able to provide that to them some way. And remember, it's always here for you in your test administration site. So in case you forgot to write it down, it's always there for you. And that is all.